breaking records in all almost 90 degrees at Newark, breaking records in all three cases there. Stayed in the upper 70s with some cooling influence off of the water in places like Bridgeport, Connecticut, and also at JFK Airport. So right now we're talking about a 59 at Morristown, 62 Sussex, still in the lower 70s across the board from the city out onto the island, including Islip and Montauk. High clouds are starting to move in from the south, so tomorrow will be a day where we have kind of sun filtered through high cloud cover, and these clouds are streaming north from what is Tropical Storm Imelda here over the Bahamas. And we also have very powerful Hurricane Umberto, which yesterday was a Category 5 storm, if you remember. It's weakened just a little bit, still a Cat 4, 140 mile per hour winds. Look at how symmetrical and well defined this system is. It'll move between the U.S. East Coast and Bermuda by later in the day on Tuesday, maybe giving Bermuda some rain squalls, some gusty winds and heavy rain in that neck of the woods. And then we watch Imelda, which, a couple days ago especially, it looked like it would slam into the Carolinas and just sit there for many days, causing catastrophic flooding. Not going to happen, thankfully. And we're talking about this storm making a sharp right-hand turn, and this can affect Bermuda directly. So Bermuda could really take it in the chin with a couple of storms during this week, but thankfully these systems staying off to our south and east. So check this out. This high pressure moving in from Canada with that northerly wind suppressing these tropical systems, but also bringing in some much cooler air by Wednesday and Thursday. 65 overnight tonight, clear to partly cloudy out there. Tomorrow it's sun through high clouds. Again, the thickest cloud cover over the southern half of New Jersey, that high getting up to about 79. It's a less humid day. 65 for tomorrow night, partly cloudy skies, again cloudier off to the south. Here's your AccuWeather 7-day forecast. A similar story, we'll call it, on Tuesday. Sun and cirrus clouds, a high getting up to about 81. And then all of a sudden we flip the calendar and those temperatures fall down to about 70 for a high on Wednesday, despite a lot of sunshine. Wednesday night, by the way, can get down to our coolest level since early June, even in the city getting down to 51, all the suburbs dropping into the 40s. Sunny and cool Thursday, only 65, back up to 71 Friday. And look at next weekend, another fantastic weekend shaping up, 73 and 76.
We have been so lucky with the weekends, I have to say.
I know, and unfortunately the weekend is over. That's the news for tonight. Thanks for staying up late with us. Have a good one.
Good night, everyone.